passionate about parakuri because I don't like waste.
For us, parakuri is about the big picture, it's about sustainability, it's about not bringing in the waste and not carving it out.
There's a finite amount of natural resources, and if we use more than our fair share, we're actually stealing from our children and our grandchildren, and to me that's not right. Parakuri is about sustainability, parakuri is about kaitiakitanga, parakuri is about whakapapa, it's about remembering who we are and where we're from, and most of all, parakuri is remembering that we are part of the natural world. So we have a relationship, we are related to every other living and non-living thing on this planet.